I'm so addicted to Infinix phones. I don't know. Snap is the key app in the phones to me. Able. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even know. Welcome or welcome back to my okay. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's or again Bonita or it's what I'm meaning. Those are my good names. So it has been long me being here. Just so excited to be here. I'm just so excited for this video. Please watch. If you're new here, please subscribe. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay. If you're new here, welcome back to this channel. Please subscribe so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload the video, and that's when you tap that notification bell. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone, the new phone in town, the new, I don't know, I'm so excited. It's not an iPhone, it's not a Samsung, but guess what? It's an Infinix, the latest, the gorgeous. If you see me putting on my nightwear, it's night right now. Yeah, I had to throw on this simple throw on. Couldn't put on my heavy thingies because it's so hot right now. So as you see behind here, don't be there thinking, what has she done? The place is so weird. I mean, I'm just improvising. Yeah. So as you see this, actually let me put this here. This is my flower, and this camera this is my daughter's camera, so I had to use it. Help me give me a Pinterest of my own, give me a nice background. So that's it. So let's get to the video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. It's an Infinix, the latest Infinix. Let me see. It's called Hot Pro, Hotty 40 Pro. The latest, the new one. You know what, guys? I want a camera so bad, but the camera I want is really quite expensive to help me record my videos, to be nice, to be so clear so that people can enjoy my videos. But before I get that before I get that camera, I have to collect the money, to sum up all the money and buy a camera. But if I don't have a camera, I have to use my phones, the phones that I have. You guys have to support me by watching my videos. Right now I have to make sure that I get phones with very good camera. Yeah, and not these days, but I'm so addicted to Infinix phone. Please note, I got this phone before. Actually, I'm all over the place. So I've used this phone like for 1 week. So it's not brand new. I'm just going to unbox it for you and see what's there. And I give you some reviews that I've seen in it. And this that I'm using to record is my old Infinix. It is a Note 11S. Yeah, Note 11S. It's what I have. It's what I'm using to shoot this video. So let's see this one. Let's get into the video. So this is it. Let me see if I can tilt this a bit. Let me just tilt this a little bit. a little bit. Oh, let me find. You guys, how do I even do that dance? A goo? Is it a goo? Okay, let's get to the video. Let me tilt this a bit. So this is how the phone looks like. This, let me just remove this phone cover. So this is the phone. I don't know where this the phone, as you can see. You guys, I was so surprised. It has 3 cameras. 3. 1, 2, 3, like an iPhone. Why did I do that? So yeah, they bring the phone. Yeah. So it came in this. This is my phone case. I'll show you later. This is Zori's inside. Yeah, Hot 40 Pro. Then this one. Bring these headsets, white. The charger. Oh, let me get the charger. The headset, the charger. This is the charger. Then plus this phone cover or phone case, whatever you might want to call it. You will excuse me. Whatever you might call it. So this is the phone. Let me tilt a bit. Let's get back here. So that's it. That's my daughter. Those are the apps I have: TikTok, Instagram, what. Then those my editing content. Yeah, those. It's really a nice phone. It's very, very fast. The cameras are good, but the front camera, it's not giving. To me, it's not giving. But rather, this old phone, the Note 11S, has a better, has a better front camera than this. This one, I'm quite disappointed. Remember, I've used this phone for 1 week. And the camera... Oh, yeah, it's movable. I've used this phone for 1 week, but the front camera, it's not giving. It's not giving. I don't know whether it's not giving. And my Snapchat in this phone, when I'm recording, it's a bit, I don't know, slow. Is it slow? Like when I record, when you're playing the video, like the sound is faster than the lips. Like it doesn't synchronize. Everything doesn't synchronize. I don't know whether the problem is with the Snapchat or the problem is with the phone. How can I use this Snap? Snap is I don't know. Snap is the key app in the phones. To me, able. Nah. How will I use this phone without Snapchat being active? Okay, that's it. So yes, then I bought these covers. This one is so good. It's turquoise. It's like dark turquoise. There's black. This one is leather. This one is not. So if I put here, see how cute it is. See how cute it is. Hello. Kidding. And see how cute this is as well. It gives bougie, it gives classy, like leather. You all know this one. Yum. Then what else can I talk about? It's really fast, very, very good. It's it has 256 GB, and the Infinix 11s had how many 128 GB. This one is 16. The Hot 40 has 16 GB. Am I confused? Oh, that's not my thing. I want to keep this video short. I'm going to end here. And if you like the video, please like, comment, ask any question, give a compliment. Have you used a brand, Infinix brand? Have you used the Hot Pro, the latest? How are you finding it? Is it fast? Is it not fast according to you? Are your apps acting up? Mainly Snapchat, as I said. And please comment, give me reviews. I don't know what I'm saying, but I want to end here so that I can see if I can shoot any other content, because I've taken really, really long not shooting anything here. So yeah, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that you can get notifications of my videos whenever I upload. You get it? You get it. Bye.